Hello guys and welcome back. It's me, Ms. Shako. Today we will continue the lessons that we studied in the previous lesson. We studied present simple and we talked about the rule of present simple. We said that we have subject, verb, complement. If we have I, we, you, they, the verb should be verb based without is or es to the verb for positive, and we put don't for negative, and we put do for the question. Okay, now we will talk about unit 11. In this unit it's talking about what? It's talking about present simple also, but the subject should be he, she, it. Okay, let me show you. If the subject is he or he, she, it, and one name, the verb should be verb. We put s or es to the verb. Okay, we have subject, verb, complement for positive sentence. For example, she likes apple. He gets up early. Naz goes to school. Look at the verb. We put s to the verb, okay, because we have she, we have he, we have it, and we have one name. If we have he, she, it, and one name, we put s to the verb or es to the verb. Okay, she likes apple. For negative, we put doesn't between subject and verb base. Okay, it will be verb base without s or es to the verb. Okay, because we have doesn't. For example, she doesn't like apple. Because we have doesn't, the verb should be verb base. We change verb s to the verb base. She doesn't like apple. He doesn't get up late. Okay, look at the verb. We don't have s or es to the verb because we have doesn't. For question, we put does at the beginning of the sentence. Does plus subject, verb base also, complement, and question mark. Please don't forget question mark. Okay, does she like apple? Does she like apple? Look, we have does, we have subject, and we have verb base also, and we have complement, and we have question mark. The answer, it will be shorter, yes, no, or question. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does he get up late? We have also get, we have verb base because we have does. Does he get up late? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. If we have does or doesn't, the verb, it will be verb base. Okay, like get up. Okay. Okay, we have in unit 11 lesson 1 page 36 we have some fruits like lemons, grapes, figs, apples, oranges, and bananas. For example, I like lemons. Okay, I like oranges. She likes bananas. She likes apples. Okay, I don't like banana. She doesn't like banana. Okay, in this lesson we have some pictures. Let me read you for you. Okay, this is our computer. Polly doesn't like computers. Also, we have Polly one name. We should say what? We should say doesn't. If we have doesn't, the verb, it will be what? The verb, it will be base. Polly doesn't like computer. If we make this sentence to positive, because we have doesn't, it means that this sentence is negative. If we change it to positive, the sentence, it will be Polly likes computers. Polly likes computers. Okay, Polly doesn't like computers. She doesn't use this computer. It can't use the computer all the time. Okay, we have she doesn't use this computer. Also, it's a negative question. If we change to positive, it will be she uses this computer. Okay, she uses.